how to do this with this. I learned this from Kayak Cliff. You just take it and you kind of even it out so everything's facing the same direction. But you're going to pull this through. You get about 1.5 feet. And then you're just going to roll this up. Just do this, and it takes about 30 seconds. The lighting in this is not that beautiful. Kind of drop it down to tighten it up there. It's a little hot here. Alright, so you're going to end up with something that looks like that. You're going to flip that around. And then you're going to slide this little tail into that.